This one's for you, Emily. I know your dad told me that you wanted to learn the scarf through neck routine, so I'm going to teach you today. I think I'm going to teach it inside because it's like -8 out here and I am freezing. So let's go inside and warm up. Ooh, it is freezing! Like bitter cold. It is horrible here in the UK. Some big storm from the east. But lucky for you, Emily, that you're watching this. You're probably off school because of the snow, so happy days. So, your dad contacted me and you wanted to learn the scarf through the neck routine. So, let's get into it. Shall I keep the hat on? It's a bit warm now. Let's just get rid of the hat and get the scruffy hair. I'm going for the scruffy hair look. That's what I think we're doing. So first of all, obviously, you're going to need a scarf. Just any old scarf will do. Probably the longer it is, the better or easier it is to do as well. So pop it around your neck. Then your right hand is going to grab the left part, left hand underneath. Now you create this little loop here. This little loop is what makes it go through the neck. However, when you put your head through, you're going to go down this little section here. So slow motion. So now, as you can see from the side, you've got this little loop. And you've got this section here. So as soon as you tighten it up, that loop is going to pop it straight through the neck. So really easy to do. It'll only take a little bit of practice just to get used to just grabbing that left part here and then just creating that loop. Once you've got this loop here, your head isn't going through the loop, otherwise you'll end up strangling and suffocating yourself. You're going to go through the two bottom ends, and then the rest you can just act out however much you want. You can make it look like you're suffocating yourself. So obviously you want to do it in speed, not really slow, because obviously they can see even if you do it slow, they're not going to think anything of it. You're putting on a scarf. It's a trick where you just quickly put on a scarf and then just go, oh, I need that a bit tighter. Next thing you know, it's gone through your neck. Like, what just happened? So yeah, really simple, really quick, really easy to do. It's not going to take much time to learn it or practice it. And then, so you've got that loop. That's what you don't want people to see, that big loop. So be careful where you're tying it round and when you're going to let go of it, and then just go through your neck. So I love this trick because it's easy, it catches people out. They don't expect you to just go through the neck. It's crazy. So like I said, that one's for you, Emily. Hope you enjoy it. I hope it works as well, and enjoy the snow as well. And for everyone else, I'll see you again next time.